First is that Ethena was well thought through and designed from the get-go for success and to be censorship resistant. Two is that its native yield generation allows it to generate an annual yield of around 13% natively, unlike traditional stablecoins, which are less than 5%. This yield comes from its innovative use for derivative and collateral strategies involving Bitcoin and Ethereum. For crypto whales seeking passive income, 13% is huge and it's a massive draw. So imagine having $10 million in Ethena, and 13% is huge for the whales. Now, the total value locked also attract whales. Ethena total value locked has been approaching $5 billion, indicating a substantial adoption and trust within the ecosystem.